Autoblogging has transformed the way we manage content online, offering an efficient method to populate websites with fresh information. However, this convenience often comes at a cost to originality, as duplicated content can detract from the uniqueness of your site. That's where the integration of advanced AI like OpenAI GPT comes in. By using OpenAI GPT, Autoblogging can evolve beyond mere aggregation of content. This AI has the capability to analyze, interpret, and reframe information, creating new articles that are not only unique, but also tailored to your audience's interests. With the ability to discern context and generate relevant commentary, OpenAI GPT can ensure that your autoblog maintains a stream of high-quality, original content that keeps readers engaged and search engines satisfied. Now, let's explore practical approaches to content generation that bring additional value to the table. We'll integrate an RSS feed from our very own blog into CyberSEO Pro's syndicator. This will serve as our starting point to showcase how seamlessly OpenAI GPT can be integrated into your autoblogging strategy, ensuring that your content remains fresh, relevant, and original. In our post template, we'll include a link to the original source beneath the imported article's text, followed by a shortcode that prompts OpenAI's GPT to craft supplementary text offering alternative perspectives. Be sure to check out the official CyberSEO Pro plugin site for a detailed guide on how to use the shortcodes. Done! But let's first take a look at the original article on its source website that we've imported. Take a look at how this article originally appears on our official site. Let's head back to the CyberSEO Pro dashboard and check out the imported version of the same article, now enhanced with additional text generated by OpenAI GPT. Here's how the text added by the plugin appears, bringing extra value to the article. To demonstrate examples clearly, we'll be deleting the imported post each time to re-import the same article with modified settings. After exploring how to enhance the original article with supplementary content, let's learn how to create entirely new, unique content that adds additional value, based on information gleaned from external sources. Since we aim to replace the content of the original article entirely, we'll need an image. In this tutorial, we'll use random images from Pixabay with the key phrase artificial intelligence. Let's also task OpenAI GPT to analyze the source article and compose an article on how to solve current challenges in society, providing case studies and personal expertise. For our post, we'll need an excerpt, which we'll create using the first 50 words from the text of the generated article. Since we're composing a fresh, unique article, we'll need an equally unique title derived from its content. To accomplish this, we'll employ a shortcode to relay our prompt to OpenAI GPT. Now pull the feed. Done. Let's take a look at the result. As you can see, the plugin has just generated a completely new and unique article for us, according to our assignment. Let's try altering our prompt and see what comes of it. This time, we'll ask OpenAI GPT to dissect the key points of the text below and craft a thorough piece on the prospective future trends linked to these themes, embedding its exclusive forecasts and suggestions for the industry. Here's a glimpse of the freshly generated article. This time, the essence of the article has transformed, now delving into the potential future trends in website content presentation. Now let's see how the plugin handles non-English languages. This shortcode instructs to craft an article in Spanish from the English text, elaborating on one of the subtopics from the original, infused with fresh data and expert insights. Notice that we always give OpenAI GPT the prompt in the same language we expect the result to be in. And here's our unique article, now crafted in Spanish. This demonstrates how, with CyberSEO Pro plugin, you're not limited to just enriching imported articles with content, you can also create your own unique content on any subject in any language. Please keep in mind that all the tasks shown in this video were performed manually for demonstration purposes only, as the CyberSEO Pro plugin can do all this work fully automatically around the clock. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.